guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and I'm joined with
Rahim.
And today we're going to be looking for a pond monster. So we've already done a part 1 on Rahim's channel, so go check that out. It's at Rahim Majingi or Rahim Adventures. Alright, so guys, right now we are on the way to the pond.
I have to say, there was just going on, like rumours spreading like that this man got lost in this pond. Yeah, and we've been walking for like 3 miles now, and hopefully we can find what took that man. Must be a mysterious monster or something, so let's try find it.
Yeah, and yeah, we'll see you when we're there.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, check this out. So much cookies! Now, we're trying for a pond monster, so yeah, let's go. Don't support graffiti or anything, because it's really bad, but this place does look haunted, so we're going to be careful.
It does not look that haunted. John!
What? Look at these bars. Alright, so right here we found a load of duck. Mom, I know you're watching this video. So yeah, we did actually go to the pond. I'm not lying.
You're so area.
Ooh, let's see what they have to say to us.
I'm starting if we're gonna eat, I want to have a meal. Well,
Rahim, what did they say?
I don't even know.
Same. Sorry, Duck, but we can't stay with you forever. We're gonna have to go. Bye. Have a good day. Alright, so guys, I'm exploring. I'm Rahim. We're both exploring this little like
John, this is for the camera. How are we gonna actually find if there's a mysterious thing in here?
I don't know, Rahim, but we'll find it. Let's carry on.
Oh, look.
There's a little boat. Can't get their faces on. But there's a little boat. We're walking right now. Can't seem to find anything. There's a big hill there, but I don't think that's anything. The pond monster is probably going to be in the pond, right?
Well, you mean him out?
Yeah.
Look, Jan, how are we supposed to find anything here?
I don't know, but we're kind of looking. So guys, now we're going to try and find a worm to attract the pond monster.
Well, we're not gonna, not exactly attract it, but like
Maybe
a
make...
small one and then feed it to the big fishes.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. And guys, just in case you didn't know, fishes actually do eat some more other fishes. So that's just so you know.
We're going to look under this big tree, because I feel like there's got to be some stuff there. So yeah. So guys, we found a stick. Show them the stick, Rahim. That's what we're going to use now. We're going to use our life hack skills. So yeah.
But we just got this from a DIY video, so if this doesn't work, don't come at us. John, here. Here.
Okay.
This way straight.
Oh. Okay,
Oh, look, nice.
ooh, masses. Anyway, guys, this is the DIY that we've made so far now. We need to find a worm to attach to it. So yeah, let's carry on.
And we have not done this.
Yeah, that's the kind I found it.
Hello.
Let's carry on. Alright. See you in a minute, guys. Lovely guy just gave us this sick net. Now, yeah, we're going to try and fish with it. So yeah.
Yeah.
Go on, Rahim.
Okay. Yeah.
We will. That guy's a legend.
Oh, nothing yet.
Alright, we're going to carry on going and yeah, see when we've got something.
Yeah.
It's about to go. Now, obviously that guy gave us a fishing rod. So go, Rahim. Good luck.
Good luck to me.
Rahim, there's a fish.
Oh, Kian, it's holding on. I can't, Kian, it's...
Take it up. Rahim, I see it. Run. Rahim! No! Rahim! So guys, right now, I lost Rahim. Now, I feel like it's really bad that I lost Rahim. I don't know what to do. I literally just lost my friend. I don't know. I might go back to like a house. Maybe I could like knock on the door and like see if they can help me. I might call the police. I don't know. Like, this is scary. Like, losing a friend at like a place like this. Like, what if he's drowning right now? Rahim, are you here?
John, help me! That one says take me into the water.
I think I heard him. I think I heard him. What the heck? Right, guys. Now I don't know where Rahim is, but like, admire stuff like that. You know, like stuff like that, like stuff like that, like stuff like that. Like, come on, guys. Like sometimes we gotta just admire beautiful stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Right, so guys, I need to try and get Rahim out. Are you there, Rahim? Are you there?
Kian, help me, there's too much. Kian, help me, the monster's dragging onto me. Help!
Is he alive?
Help! Help!
Is he alive? It looks like he's moving.
Why am I not wet?
What?
You